Hey you, let's make this soft and crunchy chin chin. To a bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that together until they are well combined. Add half a cup of margarine or butter and rub it in. That looks good. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs. Add half a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. Create a well at the middle of the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients a little at a time. Work that in until you get a shaggy dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it gets soft. Cover the dough with a kitchen towel for at least 30 minutes to rest. The dough is now well rested. Divide the dough into 3 portions. Roll out the dough to your desired thickness. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to cut the small chin chins. You can make them as small or as large as you want. Place them on a plate and head to the stove top. Heat the vegetable oil and add the chin chins. Let them fry for 3 minutes and flip. Once they are fully cooked, drain them and transfer them to a bowl lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Cook all the remaining chin chins. Be careful, the oil is really hot and can burn you. If you're enjoying this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Now we are done cooking. Let's check them out. They are soft, crunchy and very delicious. They go well with any beverage of your choice and they are perfect snacks. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.